Hello? Now, for some people, we just care about what everybody thinks, and we never get time to love ourselves. Like, what's up with that? So, how do you not give a damn what people think? How do you express yourself in the best way possible? How do you just throw away what they say that you don't like and just not give a damn? You don't want to wear shoes in class, like whenever you're sitting down, at the table or whatnot? Do it. It doesn't matter. I mean, unless the teacher says, put back on your shoes. You know what I mean. Do it. Unless it gets you in trouble, then how was I expressing you? If you really want to get in trouble, I mean, then that's just you. But anyways, you've got to learn how to not give a damn. No, you shouldn't care about what people think. Don't let a boyfriend hold you back. Don't let anything hold you back. Don't give a damn about what people think. And people get this, they don't understand this. All the time. Constantly. People really don't understand this. Oh my god, I'm thinking about this, and oh, what will they think of me? And oh, but if I do that, don't give a damn. It don't matter. You hear a song at the mall and you're with your friends, dance to it if you like to. If that's you, if you want to dance to it, if you want to buy some, do it. Just do it. Do it. And don't give a damn what others people think. Because seriously, it doesn't matter. As long as you're happy with yourself and you love yourself, it doesn't matter. Oh my god. So many things. If you like saying random things out loud, if you look at something that reminds you of something and you say it out loud, don't stop doing your little quirky things that you do with your unique style of yourself, because you are amazing yourself. And don't let anybody hold you back. Just don't give a damn.